Hello again, all my friends. We are back to weather and climate science time. Woohoo! Previously, we've been talking about weather and ways to measure it, and we kind of know weather's always changing. It's not exactly the same at every point in the same town. It can change minute by minute. There are patterns that you can recognize once you start studying the weather a little bit more, and so you can make predictions about what the weather could be like. Moving forward, we're using some of those patterns and predictions to start looking at the average weather. So I could tell you that, yes, in January it's going to be cold, 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 cold. So on average, it'll be about this. Or in the summer, in July, June, it's going to be hot, hot, hot. So the average, it should be like this. So when you find the averages over a period of time, that's actually looking at the climate. So weather is that always changing, what is it like outside right now, versus climate is what can we expect during certain points of the year. We're going to take a quick look at finding the averages for each month of the year at your school, at Union Gap School, and I'm going to do that on the computer with you, so feel free to have your paper there ready, and we will actually fill in this chart all together. It is the chart that is called Average Weather for Our School. I found the following information using the two sources below. Feel free to explore them to find out more weather data. Here are some weather words to help you figure out what each temperature means. The temperature is on the left-hand side, and the description as to what you would wear is on the right. Here I have filled in the chart for you for Union Gap School's average high temperatures, average low temperatures, and number of days of precipitation from January to December. Pause the video now if you would like to attempt to use the data to fill in your charts 6A, 6B, and 6C on your own. Here I have filled in chart 6A, our average low temperature for Union Gap School. Hopefully yours looks something like this. Here I have filled in chart 6B for Union Gap School's average high temperature. Hopefully yours looks something like this. Again, using our data from before, I have filled in chart 6C and recorded your average precipitation or number of days of precipitation. Please use the link to access our science reader, Raindrops and Rooftops. Please read chapter 2, Surprise It's Raining. If you have trouble logging in, I have my username and password here.